I'm going to say with confidence that at many points in your internet life, you've encountered a form with countless fields, hundreds of them per page, and irrelevant questions. These forms can be a dizzying mix of daunting and frustrating, often resulting in an abysmal user experience and low completion rates. Well, enter the wizard form. A wizard form, or form wizard, is a powerful tool that can transform a lengthy, complex form into a streamlined, user-friendly experience. In this video, we're going to dive into what these beautiful multi-step forms are, we'll showcase their benefits, their components, and demonstrate how you can create one step by step. On top of that, I'll also show you some best practices for designing wizard forms and show a couple of examples of effective ones I have found on the World Wide Web. I am your Gandalf for this occasion. I have not been drinking, so let's begin on our magical journey of creating wizard forms. There are timestamps in this video if you want to skip ahead, but for those of you who are new to all of this, let's start with a definition, because I want to be very clear on what we're talking about here. A wizard form breaks down what could be a complex process into smaller, more manageable steps, rather than presenting users with an overwhelming number of fields and questions all at once in an endless scroll. A wizard form guides users through the process step by step. Each step focuses on a specific set of related questions. Users can navigate between steps using next and previous buttons, and this, surprisingly, makes it much easier for users to understand and actually finish the form, leading to higher completion rates and a more enjoyable experience too. A couple other benefits: they help reduce errors by validating user input at each step and providing immediate feedback, and by using conditional logic, they can be set up to show or hide certain questions based on the user's responses, meaning more personalized and more relevant for everyone. Alright, now we know what it is, let's jump into what really good wizard forms look like, both to serve as inspiration and also as a good benchmark. Starting us off here with boxed boilers, this particular wizard form makes the experience of ordering a new boiler almost enjoyable with a conversational spin. The user is seamlessly taken through each step because of how well this has been designed. And next we have nearly real florals for those of you considering something aesthetically pleasing for your special day. This wizard form starts with a visually arresting question. It collects the address, contact details for the user, giving the florist plenty of information to generate an accurate quote. If that's tickled your fancy and you're looking for templates like those two examples to get you started, head to growform.co/templates. There are more than 20 ready-made sets to get you going. Alrighty, so we've seen a couple great examples, but let's talk specifics. Why are those good examples? What makes them effective? Well, any good wizard form builder will ensure a series of key components are in place. I'm going to take you through them now, just in case you plan to design one of these yourself from scratch. Kudos to you. For me, there are 5 key components, starting with number 1, clear and concise steps. Each step in your wizard form should focus on a specific set of related questions or tasks. This helps users understand the purpose of each step and makes it easier for them to complete your form. Number 2, progress indicators. Displaying a progress bar or step indicator can help users understand how far they've come and, importantly, how much is still left to do. This creates a sense of progress, accomplishment, and it motivates users to keep filling out the form when they see how little they have left to go. 3, navigation buttons. Providing next and previous buttons allows users to move seamlessly between steps. Make sure these buttons are clearly labeled and easy to use, goes without saying, even on mobile devices. 4, validation and feedback. Validating user input at each step and providing immediate feedback can help users correct any mistakes before they move on to the next step. This ensures that you collect accurate data and reduces the likelihood of errors. And 5, responsive design. Your wizard form should be easy to use on any device, including smartphones and tablets, not just desktop. A responsive design ensures that your form looks and functions well on all screen sizes and devices. enough talk, now it's time to put the theory into practice. Let's head over to Growform and design our very own wizard form. For those of you new to this, Growform is an online form builder that makes it easy to create visually appealing and responsive wizard forms. Growform offers a 14-day free trial, no credit card required, unlike some other providers who sneakily charge you when your 2 weeks are up because you forgot. There is a link to this free trial in the description. Alright, once you've signed up, from there you want to click on Create New Form, followed by choosing a template. You can select one of those pre-built wizard forms that best fits your needs, or indeed, if you're feeling confident, build one from scratch. Give it a name, and let's get designing. Next, it really is all up to you. Add steps to your form, remove some, use images, add conditional logic. Growform is incredibly intuitive, meaning anything you need it to do is simple enough to find or change. The theme settings on the right-hand side are great as well. It means I can match the design with my own business's color scheme and branding. Okay, all is looking good here. Now all I need to do is hit publish and our form is live. Finally, to get it out there in the big bad world, you can head to share form at the top to get your URL, as well as the embed code if you have a specific web page in mind. We've got a bunch of tutorials likely up here on embedding in various website builders on our channel, so please do check those out. And that, my friends, is how you create your own wizard form without needing to know anything about coding or even being a wizard. I trust you are now armed with the skills you need to create your own stunning forms and be your own Gandalf for your own fellowship. I've always wanted to say that. If you found this video useful, what would be really useful is letting me know in the comments, even just writing "Thanks Gandalf." I always appreciate hearing feedback, good and bad. And of course, you know what to do with those like and subscribe buttons. Do not make me say it. Have fun out there, and I will see you again very soon.